In this video, I will show you how to properly redeem Uber Eats gift card. So if you have an Uber Eats gift card and you want to use it, you can head right here to your account, then go right here to your wallet, and then after that, you can see all of this. So your gift card will automatically be added to your Uber Cash once you have added it there. Click on this Uber Cash, and then from there, click on this Add Funds. Now, from there, just click on this Add Payment Method. And if you have an Uber Eats gift card, just click on this credit card or debit card option, and then just enter in here the card number of that gift card as well as expiry, CVV, country, and anything right here. Now we can also add any sort of payments like this ones in here as well. Now you can also enter in here the number of funds that you want to get from that gift card, and you can use it as Uber Cash as well. So that's how you properly redeem Uber Eats gift card. Hope we help.